Alright, welcome back to the video. So this one's going to be the removal of the stock exhaust. So gonna need a 12mm socket to get onto the exhaust header bolts. This is a 6mm socket up here for the clamp. Shall start loosening. This is an extension of my last video, which is the EFI and the exhaust install. I've just done this in 2 parts to make it easier, in case you've already got an EFI installed and you just want to do the exhaust change. On the last video I did say that these were a size 10. This is also going to be a 12mm. Let me just quickly grab the extension. I don't have an extension on this kit. Let me use this. Not really trying to damage this. And the bike is literally a week old. Got about 90 miles on the clock. Once again, shout out to the girls that run quad bikes for us in Essex. Hooked me up with this. OEM end cam. Use the exhaust gasket. Just put that there for a minute. Maybe this is supposed to be on the other side. Yeah, that fits into there. And I'm losing it. Let's rest this on the side. Alright, let's unpack this. So this is the Yamaha Raptor 700 15-22 ballistic full dual system. It will also fit a 23. again guys, if you haven't seen the last video, that's where I've installed the EFI. It's still the same day, but I'm just making this a two-part video. Alright guys, the exhaust is finally finished. I'm telling you, this isn't an easy job. They make it look easy, but it's not. So just for future reference for anybody, if they're doing it themselves, leave the header bolts loose for this separate piece. This little Y piece here, leave this loose and try and fit these two in at the same time. Start with the top one, which is going to be your left exhaust first, and then the right one to clamp it in, and then from there you can fit the exhaust, which goes to the rear bolt of the grab bar, sorry, the front bolt of the rear grab bar. Also, I forgot to add, this little clip here, it's normally facing the other side, so you have to take it off and make it face in the direction that it's facing here, otherwise it won't get enough clearance for the pipe right here. And also, I don't know if anybody mentions it, but in the exhaust header you do need to reuse the exhaust gasket, so reuse the exhaust gasket and make sure that you turn this clip around. So I haven't started her up yet, so let's hear an initial start up. Well, it's been a pleasure showing you lot. So I'm gonna put this back together, put my tools away and go for a quick ride. Catch you on the next one.